Now buttocks kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then dancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now clap under the thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good morning, and 18, 19, 20. Then raise your both hands, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then raise your both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then both legs together. Keep your hands beside your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Now stretch your both legs. Now we are going to Trikonasana. Inhale. Then exhale, bend side. 1, knee straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now same, stretch your both legs. Now raise your both hands, join hands together. Now inhale, then exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up, then exhale down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Just relax. Now opposite toe touch. Okay, opposite toe touch. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 counts. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax everyone.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.